What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, it's a very grayish day today here in South Florida, but we have a 2024 Volvo XC90, and I bet you didn't know it's a very luxurious vehicle. We're gonna go over the exterior, interior, show you everything about it, go over some numbers and see how much luxury this vehicle actually is compared to other rivals like Lexus, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and all the other competitors. You can buy a brand new Volvo XC90 just like this one, black on black, leather interior and chrome accents. Also 20-inch wheels for about $57,000. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission and making 295 horsepower. This car is also 4-wheel drive. It has a 5-star safety rating, and when you buy it brand new, you get a 4-year, 50,000 miles basic warranty. It weighs about 4,700 pounds. I was actually very surprised when I got this car. It's actually very luxurious and it rivals some of the other counterparts like Mercedes, Lexus, BMW. It's a very nice car, but let me show you every single detail about this car. Let's go. I really like the way this car looks for the front. You have that signature Volvo look. You have your Volvo emblem right over here with a camera. You also have a chrome grille. You have nice LED headlights with the Torx hammer. And I'm not making this up, that's what they call it from the factory, Torx hammer. You also have two 75, 45, 20-inch wheels with Pirelli Scorpion all-season tires. Power folded mirrors with turn signal indicators. You also have a camera right under the mirror. You have keyless entry and you have a chrome trim all throughout the car. Going on to the back, you have this little spoiler here in the back. You have your Volvo sign, and this is a V6 all-wheel drive, XC90, dual exhausts, and LED tail lights that run all throughout the back of the car. On top of the car, you have your shark fin antenna with this chrome rail that runs throughout the car. You also have your gas tank in the passenger side. And looking at the car, it actually looks pretty good. I really like the design and looks of it. I think Volvo did a really good job with this 2024 model Volvo XC90. And now that I show you the exterior of the car, let's take a look at the interior. Going into the car, you have very soft materials all throughout the door panel. You have real wood and metal that feels very nice and luxurious. You have your memory seats right over here. You have your door lock and unlock button, your window switches, your mirror switches. As I mentioned before, these are folded mirrors. You have a very nice storage space right over here. Very nice aluminum door seal that says Volvo. You have your seat adjusters right over here. And as you guys can tell, this is very nice leather on the seats. Coming into the interior, we're gonna come inside because it's starting to rain a little bit. You have this very nice and luxurious interior, guys. It is very nice and comfortable in here. But I'm just dying to show you every single detail about this car, okay? I already mentioned the wood, the leather. You have your trunk button right over here. These are your AC vents. They do feel kind of, you know, plasticky, but I mean, what can you expect? You know, there's gotta be some plastic. Over here, you have a little bit of storage that you can just open just like that. Very nice and luxurious. You have this very nice steering wheel. The leather feels good. The stitching looks amazing, even though it's black matching the leather. It is very simple, but it feels nice. Right behind the steering wheel, you have no paddle shifters. You have your light switches right here on the left and your windshield wiper switches on the right. You also have this 12.3-inch display with the speedometer on the left and the tachometer on the right. This blank screen right here, with the press of this button, it'll show the Google Maps navigation. Right now it's not doing it, probably something I'm doing wrong with the settings. Over here to your right, you have a 9-inch infotainment system. Made it to a 9-speaker sound system that sounds fantastic. You have 2 AC vents, a button for the main menu. Everything is pretty much controlled through the touchscreen, but you still have some buttons. You have your hazard lights right over here, your windshield and rear window defroster. You also have your volume button right over here. It feels very nice and premium. I don't know if you guys can feel that, but yes. If you want to open the glove compartment, all you have to do is press this button right here and it opens up. If you want to close it, you just close it like so. This very nice wooden panel right over here, if you open, you get some storage space and you get 2 cup holders. You also have a 12-volt outlet, some more storage space right over here, not that much. You have your gear selector right over here with your parking button, your engine start stop button, your parking brake. If you keep going over here, you have some more storage space with enough space to put your weapon. Hi Vorag 8099. And you have a USB Type-C outlet right there. Going on up, you have your rear view mirror. You also have your light switches. They are touchscreen, so all you have to do is touch and they turn on. Just touch and they go back out. You have your sun visor with a light. Very nice. You see this line right here? That's to open it. And all you have to do is just slide your fingers and it opens up like so. Let me get out of the car to give you a better view. So that's the all glass roof, and like I mentioned, all you have to do is just slide your fingers and it closes up. It is a touchscreen button, if I should call it a button. You know, it's just a soft touch, but you just slide your finger through that little groove and it opens and closes the glass roof shade. This car can seat a total of 5 adults, 2 in the front, and coming into the back, you still have the very nice materials in the door panel, illuminated door sills, lights under the driver and passenger seats. You can see 3 adults in the back and 2 more in the back, like so. You also have your AC vents right over here. They are controlled touchscreens that you can just touch and it'll work just like so. You have a storage net behind the driver's seat and the passenger seat. You also have the door handles on each side. That glass roof, it's amazing. I love it. If you want to go into the 2 rear seats, you just press the latch over here and you go into the back. You have a cup holder. You have some AC vents right over here. And if we move the rear seat back, I mean, I'm 5'9" and I have, you know, it's not too comfortable, but I have enough space to sit back here. As you guys can see, I can move my legs around. I still have my cup holder right over here. I have a light, and yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good seating capacity. It took me a while to climb out of the back seat, but that's okay. I just found out this other button. You can just fold the seats like so for more storage space. I have my bag over here, that's why it's not closing fully, but you can, you know, I'm pretty sure you can fold the rear seats as well. Going out of the back, let me show you the storage space in the back. There's a button just like any other car right over here to open the trunk. And you have enough storage space for about 3 suitcases, or maybe 2. It's not a lot of space, but you can see more or less, you know, how much storage space you have. Okay, nothing too. You have a little storage space right over here. Right over here, you have some more storage space with a 12-volt outlet. And if you lift this up right here, sorry, over here, you have your jack and your spare tire right under that cover. That's your tail light. Now that it's nice and dark. To close the rear hatch with your foot, you have to make sure your keys are in your pocket, the vehicle is off, and all you have to do is just slide your foot under the car and it will close up by itself. just like that. To open the engine compartment, you have a latch right over here. You just press that. And you have this yellow hook right over here. You press that and it goes up. And this is the engine compartment. That's the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, making 295 horsepower, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. There's not much you can see, but yeah, there you have it. Also, something I noticed is that the hood goes up very high. I can barely reach if I need to close it, so I have to come to the side and pull this lever right down here to close the hood. There you go. Now that I show you guys the exterior of the Volvo XC90, we're gonna take it for a little drive. Let's go ahead and put the foot on the brake, hit the start button, vehicle comes on. Adjust my seat, put on my seat belt. You have your main menu button right over here with your Google Maps. Here's your setting. You can even put the Google Maps on satellite view, like on your phone. You have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You even have YouTube. There's your boy. And let's see how well he plays video on this car.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another
there you
video.
go.
Today,
you can even put it full screen.
Model 3 from 2022. But before, make sure you guys,
you want to put the video full screen, you can do that as well.
My YouTube shorts.
He kind of froze up a little bit, probably because of the internet connection. So there you go. You can watch video on this car. It's pretty cool.
Sedan from Tesla. The second.
This car also has Google Assistant, so you can just press the button right here. Say, what time is it?
It's 6:06 p.m.
There you go. So you have Google Assistant while you drive. This car also has adapted headlights, and that means that wherever I turn the steering wheel, the headlights will turn with the steering wheel. If I turn the steering wheels to the left, the headlights will turn to the left. If I turn the steering wheel to the right, the headlights will turn to the right. As you guys can see. And that's a very nice and cool feature. This car has 295 horsepower, and even though that's not a lot, it picks up pretty quick. If I step on the gas, she will go. This car also has all modern safety features. You have lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, airbags, you know, you name it. It has all the safety features any modern car should have. This is a brand new car with only 1,000 miles. So it drives very comfortable, feels very luxurious, and it rivals all the competitors from BMW, Mercedes, and Lexus. You know, the luxury brands. I really like this Volvo XC90, and I think Volvo did a great job with this SUV. Here's a clear view at night of the navigation system now that it decides to work. So you have Google Maps right over here on the center console, and you also have it right here on the dash. I think that's a pretty cool feature. So yeah, there you have it. That is it, guys, on the Volvo XC90. Again, if you like the video, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more car content. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.